We do not do it for cosmetic or for show. Yesterday, we were here, we stopped and prayed with Nyamira South SDA. And today we agreed we will come to the Pentecostal Church. Thank you very much for opening up the sanctuary for us, and we are very grateful. And that's why we are not in a hurry, because we have nothing else to do today. We will pray with you, we will speak with you, and we want to learn. We do not go to church because we want to do politics. No, we don't do politics on Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday is we spend time wherever we are. We've been on a journey since the 2nd of February, going through the country in something called the Kativa Caravan. We have done 41 counties today, non-stop, since the 2nd of February. From county to county, from Mombasa to Kwale to Tana River to Lamu, 41 counties. So yesterday, on Friday, we stopped in Kisumu, and because Kisumu and Nyamira is close, we said we will fellowship in Nyamira. We will go to Migori tomorrow, and then go to Homa Bay before we take a break. We will come to Nyamira and Kisii at a later date after we finish with Nairobi and Mandera, so that we make Nyamira and Kisii our last counties. Is that television? Everywhere we want the Chief Justice.